Gang, 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 gang. What is good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is now? Dan back in the lab, man. Wake up on the bomb itself, man. Wake up, wake up. Yes, man. Dan back in the lab, man. We're there with another one. We're there with none other than the Senegal boss. Big rapper like Bob. It's been a minute since we reacted to this artist, man. Yeah, man. Been a minute, but we're here again. Najeeriii, the Senegal boss himself, is here with another one called Still Standing. Hey, it's been a minute since we reacted to Najeeriii, and hey, last time we reacted to Najeeriii, completely switched up his style after people was talking about he's like a mumble DJ and he can't make out him lyrics. Dog really switched up his style and made a comeback. But apparently Najeeriii is here again. Najeeriii is here. One thing though, I do like Najeeriii, the new style that Najeeriii has found. You know what I'm saying? The new style, flow and the delivery. I really like it. His songs having substance and lyrics. You feel me? Like he having something to say. I like it. The only thing I don't like is now he's a lot slow down. You know what I'm saying? Like you get a track from him every few months. I don't like that. Najeeriii, I do like new style, but the frequency you gotta step up. You gotta step it up on the frequency and the consistency. You see me? You gotta get back to it like when you had Bob. And listen to me. They was talking your shit. They was talking shit about your mumble and all that shit, nigga. You need to bring that shit back too. Alright? You need to bring it back. Listen to Jambisco then. You see me? I say, yeah, me know an artist are boss. You see me? Me know an artist are boss before them boss. These niggas just catch up. You see me? Then catch up after, then find out. Look. Bro, like every artist when me say I go bust and I take up play from Jamal, I was saying, yo, Jamal now get him in credit when he deserve. You see me, everybody I run him style, one dunce man, look at they running plays. Skipper wasn't getting the credit he deserve. Look at Skipper running plays. Craft, Mali, every time I come out to an artist, I'm saying, yo, the artists are bad, they not get credit they deserve. This is what they're supposed to do. I'm always right on the money. You see what I'm saying? I'm always right on the money. So Najeeriii, listen to me. You need to bring back, we like the new style, but you need to also bring back the old Bob. You see me? Every now and then, you drop the Bobby out with the substance, but in between then, we need the Bob, the big grabber like Bob. Yeah, we need that back. We need that back in between. You see what I say? But anyway, we're not out with the vibes much longer, guys. Before jumping, try hit the like and subscribe button. We're jumping it right now. Najeeriii, Still Standing. Let's get it.
Sorry when you get on my way. I've been asleep for so many years. Bad man don't shed many tears.
Clark crown that way. We had a crown, blind crown by the leg of that blind foot. What you saying here? What are you saying? Hold on.
Sorry when you get on my way. I've been asleep for so many years. Bad man don't shed many tears. Bad man don't shed many tears. But I'm still standing through all the thick and thin.
Bad man don't shed many tears. I understand that, boy. We said through the ghetto. What?
Sorry when you get on my way. I've been asleep for so many years.
Say sorry for the ghetto where you're there. That him said, yo guys, you gotta help me with this shit. Funny enough, I understand Najeeriii better when he was doing his own for Banga Sanga there, my dog then rat junk attack punk gears. I didn't even speak about this one though, but I couldn't hear the beginning of that one. Right.
Bad man don't shed many tears.
Bad man don't shed many tears.
Bad man don't shed many tears. But I'm still standing through all the thick and thin. Man never
through all the thick and thin. Go on.
Stop grinding, Jack guided. I wanna count it.
Where said Jack guided? Hold on.
Stop grinding, Jack guided. I wanna count it.
You know, stop grind. Through the thick and thin, you know, stop grinding. Jack guided. Alright?
Since I lift them one by one. So now cut that.
I cut that.
Yeah, but
Alright. Nigga, you sweating like a motherfucker. Nigga, you gotta pull over in a Jamaica, dog. I'm doing unless at the cold time what that happened that day. Why you have to pull over in a blood clean Jamaica and sweat out hell in the video, dog? How you got gloves on? How you do, Najeeriii?
Yeah,
right there, sweating like got you.
20.
I got mash up some Chinese food.
Oh, Father, watch over we. God, we proud of it. The best above the deep solid, the mommy proud of me. Never switch, never shit, never out of my way. Daddy say I talk, say no logic.
Come in. Yes. Light open. Ja, watch over we. I want you. I want you. Come on. on, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Yeah,
I like that. Come on. They're eating food with this.
2026.
With the squad.
Oh, Father,
They watch over we.
God, we proud of it. Them say Bob the dip solid, the mommy proud of me. Never switch, never shit, never go out of my way. Daddy say I tough, for you know logic.
Never switch, never shit, never go to where we are to you.
Never switch, never shit,
Never go out of where we are.
Daddy say I tough, for you know logic. Set your one pace, don't copy.
Daddy say you're pro, for you know logic, set your own pace.
Daddy say I tough, for you know logic. Set your one.
Shout out to all of the parents and we support them youth and stand up behind them youth 100% strong. You see me and say, sometimes that's all you need is a little support and you never know where they can reach. You see me, don't be the one feeling that your youth them dreams and regret it later on. You see me and say, trust me.
Don't copy, cut on everyone and your hobbies. I mean, a growth habit, never doubt, but I don't panic if you don't have it. We all out to the stacking of money, overly.
Hey, ladies.
Set your one pace, don't copy, cut on everyone and your hobbies. I mean, a growth habit, never doubt, but I don't panic if you don't.
The man said, turn all of your hobbies them in a growth habit. Hey, go on, through, listen. Yo, shout out to Bob Father. For the Bob Father turn back him 100%. Real advice.
Set your one piece, don't copy, cut on everyone and your hobbies. I mean, a growth habit, never doubt, but I don't panic if you don't have it.
Turn all of your hobbies them in a growth habit. You see me? Don't, the man say, what you say? The man say, don't what?
Don't copy, cut on everyone and your hobbies. I mean, a growth habit, never doubt, but I don't panic if you don't have it.
Never doubt, brother, don't panic if you don't have it. Big up yourself.
All out to the stacking of money, overly toast to my killer, them keeping up with the counterfeit. Yeah. Spotty fuck, you attack it and get it over with.
Yeah.
Run it up with my
Spotty fuck, you attack it and get it over with. Go on, Joe!
2026, we make progress.
Yes.
We get more bread than the toaster dig.
Wow. 2026, you make more progress. You get more bread than the toaster, you know. Nothing can stop it, you know. Go on, Joe.
Progress, we get more bread.
We not business with people.
Cups up.
Cups up.
I put the happiness on nobody.
We not smoke no more, but roll up a spliff. Go on, Joe.
Started when you get another year.
Yeah.
I've been asleep for so many years. So all gone.
Yeah.
Bad man don't shed many tears.
Bad man don't shed many tears.
But I'm still standing.
Still standing.
Man never stop grinding.
Through the thick and thin, we never stop grinding. Go on, Joe. Jah guide it.
One by one.
Yeah. Rum. Yes, man, we are building thing in a man. Yes, man, we don't give up. We might stumble a little bit. We might slow down a little bit. Oh, we don't stop. We are going to shame them. Go on, Joe.
Count these blessings and make them one by one. One by one.
One by one, come with blessings.
One by one.
One by one.
Count my blessings and make them one by one. Count them,
Yes.
stay potent. Yes. Just bro, living at the moment. But don't step without it, me are the chosen. Me say, oh, jump ship when it froze.
Yeah, man, we see who jump shit when it frozen, you know. We see who jump ship, you know, when it get hard, you know. Yes, man, we see them, you know, but we don't say none. Go on, Joe. Yes, man.
And I'm never
Apartheid.
Me roll it gold, me roll it frozen. She alone, know the roads me walk.
Yes,
Every
man.
story me never
Man say, mummy there, mummy, she alone know the road we walk, don't it? Go on, Joe.
roll it frozen. She alone,
Go see
know
where the
roads
road
me
walk.
Every story me never told them.
Every story what we never tell them. Go on, Joe.
I've been asleep for so many years. Bad man
Man don't shed many tears. Bad man don't shed many tears.
But I'm still
Standing.
Rum. Man never stop grinding. Stop grinding. I wanna count these blessings and lift them one by one.
One by one. Pick up yourself, Najeeriii. Big tune. This have to get added to the playlist. Done. Go on, Joe.
Count my blessings and lift them one by one.
One by one. One by one. Count with blessings.
Count my
Blessings. One by one. Boo.
Yes, Spencer.
Easy, man. The dog says a baby goat. Easy yourself. Najeeriii says a baby goat to bless you. Right, Joe. We see the subliminals. We see the symbolism. You see, I say, big up yourself, Najeeriii. I'm going to tell you, say you are bad. I'm going to tell you, say you are bad from when? From the man who claim to his dog and mum rap, I say, yo, from the way dog put him structure and tune them, the lyrics that he choose, the youth are bad, you know. But nobody never want to hear me. When I start bash the youth and I say, oh, the youth are not enough for Africa, and the man go switch it up and come back. I say, see there, this is what I see. See, no found no. When it comes to music, on the years, you know, if you can't see, like, only have a vision when it comes to music. No found no. You see me, no business at all. You see me, no found no. You see me, like, I got the ears for it, I got the vision for it. Can't tell artists bad no matter what style them in. You see me, I say. You see me, just from them, the cadence, the diction, the delivery, everything I can tell you, say, yo, the artists are bad, you know. You see me? Even if they don't do a style it. You see me, don't tell you say you are hard already from the man come out with big rap from come on big rap by Bob. When he man do all like tune, I forgot the name of the songs them. You see me, when he had the whole time, I say you are bad. You see me, not only because of the style that he use, but from how a man craft him song them and this this choice beat from the choice the words that he use. I'm like, you that bad in a dog, and you can see the what I'll say, the versatility and diversity, and how he can switch. Bro, I'm like, yo, they that bad but no come on. Oh, the man alright, see man switch it up, they know what I have to say. And I've been telling you, say, yo, dog, all you have to do now, like there's let's see an artist. Is you can if you can only tell they're bad based on the style they're doing, man. I don't know how to explain it, dog. I don't know if you explain it. No found no that vision when it come to everything. I don't know what talent I don't see. You see me? Najeeriii bad. He got a new style. I just need it. He need to up the frequency now. That's it. And he got it. Lock. You see me? But I asked him to drop it. That's the man. Let me know what your thoughts in the comment section. I already know what time it is, guys. Till next time, take care of yourself. Each other. Love you guys.